Hi, welcome back to Tips with Skips. Amanda and Sebastian here. Today we're going to cover your serpentine belt and why it's important to check that.
So your serpentine belt will make noises depending on the weather. Sometimes when it's worn out, like you'll have cracks or corrosion, not rusting on it from the pulleys. So it's the annoying sound you hear in the mornings when you first start up the car. So basically this is your belt, and the belt creates noise because it creates friction on the pulleys. So one way to take care of that is to replace the belt. Most belts require replacing from between 70 and 100,000. Some manufacturers require to do it later, but it's not advised to do that because eventually the belt could break and leave you side of the road.
If you have this noise or this concern, give us a call at 603-382-1010 or send us an email at info@skipsgaragerepair.com.